What's up, my peeps? My peeps. It's Maisie here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you better hit that subscribe button because my content is obviously the best of the best. So, I'll sit here until you freaking subscribe. Anyways, today I'm doing like I got this new palette by Kat Von D called Fetish. It was on sale for 50% off. So I was like, gotta get that because it is good stuff. Ooh, you can see my little. Anyway, as you can see, there's a lot of freaking shades in there, and they are really pigmented. So I'm basically gonna do a look with that, and I'm just gonna be using like my most trusted makeup products for my face and my eyebrows at the moment that I always go to. Like, they're my go-tos, bro. Okay? So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I decided to get the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit because I've heard a lot of good stuff about it, and I was kind of struggling with my brows recently. Like, I wasn't happy with them, stuff like that. And this is in the shade 4, which it goes up to 5, so it's like pretty dark. And yeah, so it's a brow pencil, and I'm just gonna comb them out first. You know, this eyebrow is lacking right now. Because, you know, this one like goes down further right here and it looks so much better. And then there's this one that's just lacking a lot. It's not on its game right now, but that's okay. Not all of us can be on our game all the time. I feel so creepy like doing that. Anyways, I'm just gonna like outline them basically. I should probably take my coat off. Why do I have my coat on? Come on, Maisie, you know better than this. Okay. My eyes look so dark. What the heck? Anyway, so I'm just gonna like literally outline my eyebrows with this. And it looks really subtle. Oh god. The outcome is like really subtle. You just kind of like scribble in it and then you can brush it. So you get that natural, well, natural look. And I already previously had this little brow duo from Anastasia, whatever. And it was a little too dark and I was kind of getting sick of it. So I got the soft brown one. I have the ebony one, which is like really dark. And I just wanted to go for more of a natural little color duo, you know. So I'll be using that over top of this. I have to like kind of draw an arch for this one because it's, like I said earlier, it's a little rough at the moment. Because I was using one of those little face like things. They're like mini little razors that you just get the little peach fuzz off your skin with. And I accidentally like got the top of my eyebrow. Which made me really sad. And this palette is like $62. So when it was on sale for $30, I was like, that's good. So I decided to like cop it because it was so cheap compared to its original price. I was like, I just can't resist. Yeah, this eyebrow is just unfixable, to be honest. But I'm gonna have to deal. And then I'm just gonna take this with a little Sephora brush, the Pro Angled Liner brush, but I use it for eyebrows. I'm gonna take this darker shade for like the tail and just kind of go over what I just did to sort of set it in place and give it a little more pigment. Give it a little bit of help. And just kind of drag it into the front and brush. Why am I holding it like that? Oh my god. So basically I just haven't done YouTube for a long time and I felt really bad about it. And I was like, man, I probably should make a video for you guys. Don't worry, they're looking a little trashy right now, but you just gotta have faith in the concealer cleanup process. And I really love this Essence Make Me Brow in Brownie Brows. It's like $3 maybe $4. And I'm just gonna further define, cause gotta get that definition. It looks so dark on camera. I swear it's not that dark. What's up? I'm back. Freaking dog. Just kidding. She's not annoying. I love her. And I just like this because it's like a little thin layer of moisture instead of having like such a thick layer between your face and your makeup, you know? Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Pearl. Girl, this is so good. I just can't anymore. And I'm way too lazy to wet my beauty blender and it's really disgusting, so you can't do anything about it because you're watching the video and you can't teleport, so. Anyways, I'm just gonna, oh, this has like hair on it. Using right here. Loose finishing powder in the shade Fair. Now time for the palette. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a purple eyeshadow look. I'm gonna use the shade Fixation, which is this tan shade, as a transition. Oh, dang. That's a lot, honey. I'm gonna apply the shade Corset, which is this... Actually, no, I'm gonna apply Kink, which is this bright purple shade. And I'm going to apply it with this little skinny brush. Ooh. I'm gonna take Corset now, which is a really deep sort of violet shade, I'm gonna, woo! And now I'm just gonna take that corset shade, but on a more packed brush, and really pack it onto the very, very edge. The fun part, which I'm gonna be doing my lower part. And I'm gonna be taking this shade, La Petite Morte, which whatever that means. It's this teal shade. This is gonna look pretty. This is a pretty, pretty color. And then I'm gonna put Obsession on the outside, which is that dark blue. Just to give it that definition on the outside. Ooh. This look good, guys. This look good. And now I'm gonna take Deviant, which is a purpley shimmery shade, of course, because we have purple on the lids. What? And I'm gonna apply it to the liddies. The shade Cuffs, which is that silver on the very inner corner. I'm going to take my Kat Von D Trooper tattoo liner, and I'm just gonna do a little itty bitty wing. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. I love it. And now I'm just going to do the basic contouring with my contour kit in the shade light to medium because I'm so pale. If you could even understand a word I said. And I take this one all the way over here because it's the coolest tone and it makes the most contoury look. That's what it looks like. Is that sound? And I'm kind of aggressive with that, if you couldn't tell. And I really like to contour my forehead because I always feel that it is so big. Okay, now comes the blush. To use a big brush for. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pearlescent Pink. It has little glitters in it. And I just kind of press that on. And now my holy grail glow kit. It's the sugar. You can't see the sugar right there. So it has marshmallow, gumdrop, butterscotch, and starburst. And I use starburst the most. It's like pink in the pan, but it's like, you'll see in a second. It's like really nice on my skin tone, I've noticed. And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay All-Nighter spray to finish it off and spritz it everywhere. I feel so sassy when I go. And I also feel really weird too. It's kind of weird. But here is the finished look with way better lighting. So it looks like this. Ooh, jawline. Jawline come through. Anyways, so I hope you like this like blue mermaid look that matches my shirt. And that was on accident, actually. I just looked in there and I was like, I haven't done purple in a while. I should probably do purple. So yeah, here is the finished look, as I've said at least 80 times. And I guess I'll see y'all later.